morning. Today I want to take you along a day in the life with me. I'm going to take you outside. The cicadas are super quiet because it's super chilly this morning. We had a really cold front come through, and so I'm going to take advantage, go outside and water my plants before they start flying around obnoxiously and hopefully die. And then I have to clean the house, so I'm gonna take you around a day in the life, but I have some errands, things to do. I'm gonna go down in the schoolroom and prep some stuff, so come along with me. So they're like super quiet right now, so I am just gonna water this since they're not busy out here screaming at me. This has a fountain. It doesn't always work. See? Just a little chilly this morning, so I think that's why it was very windy yesterday. And I think that was part of the problem.
The mosquitoes are really out anymore. You made more today?
And I have all my plant babies. So, I'm not sure what happened to this guy. I feel like it was fine yesterday. And we bought some peach roses and these like lemonade colored ones that we're gonna have to plant here soon. I'm loving that the cicadas are not annoying and obnoxious today, right?
Wow, and they will come back.
Yeah. And then these guys are doing really well. They look so fake though. This one's doing better. We're gonna have some really hot days coming this week, so I just wanna get everything watered really well before it gets really hot. All right, I have a ton of stuff to do today. I have a full messy kitchen. We were gone so much of this weekend, and so things just got put aside. So I need to clean up the kitchen, and then I have so much to do. I do have an appointment at 1 o'clock, so I'm gonna try to push through everything while I can. And then I'm probably gonna go in the homeschool room today and kind of prep, but you know, I don't know, like I was supposed to be painting our homeschool space and the bookshelf that I have down there, and I cannot work myself up to do it. So fingers crossed that motivation comes to me soon. But it is what it is. You can see that side of the kitchen, but our table is pretty much a mess. I need to Swiffer and wash the floors and vacuum and clean the bathroom and put in laundry. So today sucks, but it's gotta get done. So let's just get done. not gotten one of these sponges. They are absolutely amazing. I'm just gonna food prep some of the fruit that I had sitting in the fridge. If I don't prep this, it's not gonna get eaten and it's likely gonna go bad. So I cleaned up the table. I need to fill up the hummingbird feeder. I put out some grapes for her for today. And now I'm gonna be cleaning in here. It's mostly clean. We are getting new furniture in the fall. So I'm not really worried about like the covers and stuff because they just don't stay. So I'm just gonna plop you up and you can, I'm gonna do the floors and just like dust and stuff like that. So I'm a sweaty mess. I cleaned all the floors, I vacuumed, I did all the hard surfaces, I cleaned the bathroom, I vacuumed upstairs, which I'll insert a picture. This is so satisfying to me when you get all the dog hair picked up. But yeah, I do this once a week. Like I vacuum our carpet once a week upstairs, and the amount of dog hair just blows my mind. There should be no hair left on my dog at this point. But anyway, I am sitting down taking a little bit of a break. I've been going at this for about 2 hours now. It's about 10:45. Molly is upstairs watching Minecraft or something on YouTube, which is fine because I just need her occupied on the days where I'm doing this. She has like her own set of chores, but she does not do them at the same time as I do because we would just butt heads. So at least my cleaning's done. I have to pop in some laundry, and I really need to get into the homeschool space and figure out what I'm gonna do. I needed to prep some things, which I plan to film for a separate video. If you missed my emotional dysregulation video, go check that out. I talked a little bit about what I am hoping to implement in our homeschool next year. But I'm just gonna be honest, this is the first day in like a long time that I have felt well and just like energized and ready to get the things accomplished, even though I do this sort of every Monday is like my clean catch up day. It's been dragging the last few weeks. There's just been so much going on, and yeah, health wise and everything else. So it was nice. It's nice to just feel good about doing all the things today. I'll probably film a little bit of some food prep here in a little bit, and then I'll probably swap out the video soon, just because I'm getting so distracted. I'm forgetting to like turn the camera on and stuff, so I do not do well at these vlogs, but I thought I'd do something different because you know, sometimes homeschool content in the summer, you just need something else to talk about because you just want to be on a break, like summer break as well, because we do take a summer break. So stick around. I'll see you in a little bit. All right, so I just threw in the laundry. Now I have these printables from Jessica at the Waldock Way printed, and I want us to go over this. So I printed the bucket list, the schedule, and then like an activity planner. So we're gonna do, Monday is today, we're gonna do this craft. I think it's like where you sew like along the edges. I thought this would be a good beginner, and I've had this for a while. So and then we're gonna fill out this when we're gonna do it. She has some books you can dig into, and then we have this book that maybe we will draw something out of today together, as we're gonna take a couple screen breaks. So and then this, I really want to do a read aloud and start it today. So yeah, that's the plan while the laundry is going. So I am making myself my taco bowls that I make for my lunch at work as well, but I'm gonna have it today too. These are just my ingredients. I'm feeling a little low on energy, so I'm gonna cut these up for my lunch tomorrow. And she's trying to figure out what we're gonna do today on our screen break. So yeah. So she's got her little sewers thing going. She's doing pretty good. What are you sewing? A unicorn?
Yeah. Just trying to fix something right now.
Good job.
That.
These crazies barking their heads off. Oh, where'd the other crazy go? Back in to hide?
Maybe. Are you really just gonna be laughing and the whole video?
We've been at this for
Like 30 minutes now or more.
I'm trying to get this knot
Oh,
out.
hang on, I think I got it.
We said that like 50 times.
But it always leads to another knot or something.
Oh, we are not crafty.
You think? Oh my god. So, we have failed.
Fail.
And I only made things worse. She literally flew it out of her hand. Oh my god, look at that give up her. Well, this is
Hey guys, so I'm gonna wrap this up here. I'm I'm actually exhausted. I had a therapy call at like 1 o'clock, and that just drained every ounce of me left for the day. So I laughed my butt off watching my kiddo with the sewing thing. She's playing the Switch right now, and I am folding a mountain of clothes. Nothing exciting over here. And it's 4 o'clock in the afternoon. I'm going to have to cook dinner soon. I'm exhausted. So I'm gonna get this done, and if you like this style of video from me, then make sure to let me know in the comments. And if you have any other ideas for me, leave them in the comments. And I'll see you in my next video.